Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Xero. So you can connect Etsy to Xero to automatically sync your sales, fees, taxes and deposits. So Etsy does not have a native Xero integration, but you can use the third-party tool or third-party app as Zapier. So actually guys, first you will need to go with zapier.com and create or sign in with your account, and then just go with create button that's located at the top left corner of the page, and then go with Zapier or Zaps. And right here you will be presented with two options. So you can go with the EI built-in feature or manual method. Okay, so you can go with EI and type right there, set Etsy as a trigger and Xero as an action, right? And then just go with start building. And I don't really want to note that to find Etsy and to select it as a trigger, you will need to have the premium plan version of Zapier first, okay? So if you prefer the manual method, just go with trigger right here, and then just look for Etsy using the search bar, and then just select it, and it will be placed right here on the trigger. And then go with action and look for Xero, and then go with Xero. Okay, so just select it, and after that you will need to go with action events right here and select the action events. So there are multiple actions right here, and that's up to you, so you'll need to select. And after that, go with the account section or the accounts option right here, click on sign in and enter your Xero account credentials. And after that, you will need to go with the test run and then publish, turn that zap on. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.